Notifies to cell phones app. The first thing we want to do if we want to use these type of notifications is download this app. So we're going to go to Google's Play Store or to the App Store, and we're going to download this application. This is something the end user must do. So let's say I'm an end user and I want to take advantage of these type of notifications. So the first thing I do is download the app. Once it's installed, it's going to ask me for a couple details like the link to my application and my credentials. Once I'm in, I'm going to be able to subscribe to all kinds of different notifications that were set up in the processes. Besides, I can also receive notifications of personal tasks, Universal Watcher. I can also use double factor authentication. So maybe I want to log in and they'll send me a code to my phone. And once I have this code, I can type it into the computer and that is going to allow me to log in. So we have to take into account that for these type of notifications that are sent via system tasks, not only do we have to set them up in the process, so the administrator has to set this notification in the process, in the class of process, but the end user, if he wants to receive these notifications, he's going to have to subscribe to them. The next thing we're going to see is how to configure this type of notification in the system. So in order to do so, all we have to do is click on a system task. We select Notifier, we select the function via cell phone, and then we click on continue. And the first thing we're going to do is indicate the addressees. Now here I've got all kinds of different roles. These are employee roles, so only employees can receive these type of notifications. I'll select this one, translators. So anyone that belongs to this role is going to be able to subscribe to this notification. Now I'll select the name of my notification. I can add whatever text I want. And after adding this, I could add some content. Okay, here we can also see my content could be dynamic. I could input fixed text, but I could also select values from the panel. So I could click here. I could add name, login, whatever details I want. And this is what we'd be receiving in our app. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like this so we get an idea. And then down here, we can indicate the type of sound that we want. So we can select that we want it to be an alarm sound, a call sound, or a notification sound. So this depends on the settings that we have on our phone. And lifetime refers to the amount of time that this notification is going to be in our phone. Okay, so we could say, well, maybe, I don't know, 14 days. And then here we have some links, so we can go to the App Store or to Google Play and download the application in our phone. Okay, so that's about it. We save and exit, and our system task is ready to go. All we have to do now is wait for people to subscribe to this notification.